Everybody knows me. So good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for being here to join us. First and foremost, I would like to take a moment to thank you all for being here, for being part of the Realtor family, for supporting such a great organization that's absolutely critical to our industry. And so whether you're here because you see this as an opportunity to further your career, or because you serve as an association MLS exec or whatever, we thank you for your service, because that's one of the reasons why Coldwell Banker has been a leader in this industry for so many years, is we lead the brokerage industry. But above and beyond that, there's another area in which we've had a leadership position in the real estate space ever since the founding of our company, and that's in the area of innovation. And when you think about it again, for those of you who don't know, Coldwell Banker was the first national real estate brand to launch a website, the first national real estate brand to launch mobile applications, the first national real estate brand to have a dedicated YouTube channel, and on I can go for and provide you a full list. But today we're here not only to celebrate the fact that we're at NAR, but of course the launch of our new website, ColdwellBanker.com. So for those of you who haven't had an opportunity to go online to see the new platform, it is absolutely outstanding. Not only is it completely different development system technology, but it's meant to change the conversation in real estate in terms of engaging the seller in a way that they've never been engaged before, and providing yet another differentiator so that we win more listings at the kitchen table. And I want to point out over here Sean Blankenship, our Senior Vice President of Marketing, and his team that's been leading the development of the platform. So in addition to what we have at a national level that's going to make us even more relevant and competitive, we also have, of course, the Zap platform, which has now been a recent acquisition of Realty, and that's something that's going to be available to every real estate brokerage company that's part of our franchise system and network. So we encourage you to check out the new ColdwellBanker.com, and we encourage you to take a few minutes to sit in one of the sessions to learn about the Zap platform. So with that, if I could ask you to raise your glass, and let's give a toast to the best real estate brand in business, Coldwell Banker. Cheers.